Hello, welcome aboard once again. Today in our class, we're going to be talking about addition and subtraction of money. In our previous class, we explained some of the basic currency of money, and then we did conversion from naira to kobo, and then we also we did conversion from kobo back to naira. But today we are going to move a little step further. We want to add money and we want to subtract from money. So it's going to be very interesting. So we need your attention, and we need your thinking cap, we need your imaginative skills. So let's start with example 1. Let me have my hands. Good. It's my beautiful hand. Add 5 naira 50 kobo to 3 naira 42 kobo. What are we going to do? The first thing we do is to have the naira side, then we have the kobo side. Okay? So you pick up the naira and you write it under the naira side, and also the kobo will be on the kobo side. So let's go. That is. Then you put the point, then that is the kobo side, plus 3 naira, that is also the kobo side. Okay. Okay. All right. So now we have now we have 5 naira 50 kobo, 3 naira 42 kobo. So the kobo have to be on the kobo side, the naira have to be on the naira side. So now let's add 2, 0 plus 2. What do we have? 2. Then 5 plus 4. What do we have? 9. Then 8, 5 plus 3. Okay, we'll put our point there. What we have? 8. Good. So what we have is 8 naira 92 kobo. Let's see our next example. Add 3 naira 36 naira 80 kobo, 25 naira 64 kobo, and 8 naira 59 kobo. Okay, so like we said, you have your naira side, then you have your kobo side. Under the naira we have 37 naira, then point 80 kobo, then under the next number we have 25 naira 64 kobo. We add our plus. Now if you notice the 8 does not start from here, because this is the tens column. It has to start from unit because it is a single number. So next we have our point, then we have 58 kobo. So let's rule our line. We have our line there. Have you ruled yours? Oh, I made a mistake there. I think it's better now. Good. 4 plus 8, that is 12. So we put down 2, we carry 1. You see my 1, I carried over here. Good. Okay, let's say a little bit faster. Then 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6 plus 5, what I have is 19. Okay, 19. 19 plus the one I carry is going to give me 20. Okay, so what that means is that I'm going to put 0 here and carry 2. Okay, put 0 here or carry 2. Okay, this is the 2 I carry. Okay, so 7 plus 5 plus 8, the sum total is going to give me 20. Okay, 20 plus the 2 I carry from here. You know, when these are together, everything was 20, so I put down 0 and carry 2. This is the 2, so this plus this is 20, so 20 plus the 2 I carry is 22, so we are going to put 2 here and carry 2. Okay, okay, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus the 2 we carried is going to be 7. Okay, so this is our answer. We need to put our point there at the middle from here. Okay, so what we have is 72 naira 2 kobo. Okay, we just noticed that in our question here is 59 kobo here, but mistakenly we use 58 kobo, so we're just gonna come here and change it to 8 because we made a mistake. We're supposed to use 58 kobo here. No, we're supposed to use 59 kobo here, but we mistakenly use 58. So we just come here and change here to 8 because we've already started using 8 to solve. So 8.58. So that is our addition. So let's move on to the next example. Example 2 is subtraction. Okay, let's take it back a little bit. Okay, yep. So we are to subtract 147 naira 50 kobo from 358 naira 45 kobo. Now, just like we said, we have our number, we have our naira side, and we have our kobo side. So let's move on. We have 358 naira. Then we have the kobo side, 147 naira. Then we have the kobo side. Oh, okay. We need to rectify that. Okay, so 358.45, then 147.50. Rule a line. I made a mistake there. Okay, that is better. So let's start. 5 plus 0. Oh, subtraction. So we are minusing. 5 minus 0. What is your answer? 5. Okay. Now, The next we have is 4 minus 5. That is where the problem is, okay? 4 is smaller than 5, so you cannot remove 5 from 4. So we need to come to number 8 here and borrow and say, number 8, please help us with 1, okay? Now, once you collect 1 from 8, 8 is going to be 7, right? That is it. So you carry the 1 and add it to the 4, it becomes 14. 14 minus 5 will give us 9. Okay. So when we now come here, 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay, that's our point there. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. Good. 3 minus 1 is 2. Good. So what we have is 210 naira, 95 kobo. So let's try a little more difficult example. 640 naira, 25 kobo minus 269 naira, 78 kobo. So let's see. So we're going to be a little bit fast because we know most of this step in our earlier discussion. Okay, so first thing is for we to get it arranged, and we've done that. We'll roll our line, so we're ready to go. Okay, this is a little bit taxing, so let's get it done. Now 5 minus 8, we can't do that because 8 is bigger than 5. So what are we gonna do? What do you think we should do? Well, you see here, we have no choice than to borrow from 2. 2 is going to give us 1, and when you add the 1 to place the 1 in front of 5, you now have 15. First, good. So 2 borrow us 1. Okay, so here we'll be left with 2. So you put the 1 in front of 5, you have 15. 15 minus 8 give us 7. So here now, since 1 have been borrowed away, we have 1. You cannot remove 7 from 1, so we need to move across here to borrow. Okay, we come to this guy, he's already 0. He does not have anything to give, so we need to come to 4 and beg 4 to give us 1. Good. 4 give us 1 and 4 become 3. You see that one? We are going to add it in front of this 0 to make it 10. Okay, now we collect 1 from the 10. Here will be 9. Okay, because 1 minus 10 is 9. So we bring it here, add it to this one, it will be 11. 11 minus 7 is going to give us 4. Okay, then we put our point here. Okay, so here is, remember it was 10 when we borrowed 1 from it, it become 9, and 9 minus 9 is 0. So here is 3 because we borrow from it. We cannot remove 6 from 3, so we're going to come here and borrow 1 from 6 and add it to 3, become 13. 13 minus 6 will give us 7. Here will be remaining 5. 5 minus 2 is going to give us 3. So that's how we got this number. It's quite simple. Now the rule is, anytime you are to remove a big number from a small number, you have to go to the next number to borrow. okay, and add it in front of it to get a larger number. And that's what we did. For example, let's take it again. We borrow 1 from 2, add it in front of 5, then we have 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Here will be remaining 1. You cannot remove 7 from 1, so we come here to 0 to beg for borrow, but 0 does not have. We come here, we borrow 1 from it, add it to 0, it becomes 10. Remove 1 from 10, here become 9. Put it here, 11. 11 minus 7, 4. So here is 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Here is 3. We have to borrow 1 from 6. It becomes 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. So here becomes 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. And that is how we got those numbers. So our answer here is 370 naira 47 kobo. See, addition and subtraction is quite easy. Well, if you have any question as regard this addition and subtraction that we have done, the number is here, 07055056025. Just send WhatsApp message to that number. We are going to add you to our Denmin School Online, and we answer you real time. Okay, the next that is required of you is to do a homework. This is our Merus Functional Mathematics Exercise 1. So you're expected to do A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, this is a repetition, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, so this exercise will really put you on your toes to ascertain the extent to which you understand the topic we just discussed. In Denmin British Academy, we ensure that you do everything in the exercise, okay? Sometimes some examples are pretty easy, but when you do the exercise will really take you to all the corner of the topic you really need. As soon as you are done with all the exercise, you can say that, yes, I'm competent enough to deal with any question from any angle it comes. So that is why it's very important for you to solve all the questions in the exercise, and that is our practice. We don't encourage laziness in Denmin British Montessori Academy. So the timeline for this assignment is 7 days. In 7 days, that is 1 full week. That is okay. Now this is the second exercise. The second exercise is on subtraction. Okay, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, down to N. Okay, I think M is already out of it because we solved M as question B in our example 2. So you can omit that, but if you want to do it, good and fine. We always give credit to our textbooks that we use. This textbook, the exercise and all the work so far is drawn from Merus Functional Mathematics, book 4, because Merus is simpler and quite easier to use. We're giving credit to them. Okay, so Denmin British Academy, I appreciate you for being online. Our number is there. If you have any question, feel free to send us a WhatsApp message. We will attend to you quickly. So once again, thank you very much for joining us. We love you.